Differences between balance sheet and cash flow statement. Balance sheet versus cash flow statement. Balance sheet is a financial statement that reports a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity at a specific point in time, whereas cash flow statement is a financial statement that provides aggregate data regarding all cash inflows and outflows that a company has. Balance sheet is a statement that shows the assets owned and the liabilities owed by the company, whereas cash flow statement that shows the cash inflow and outflow of the company. The purpose of balance sheet is to show what a company owns, assets, and owes, liabilities at a given moment by offering a static view of a company's financial health. Whereas, the purpose of cash flow statement is to provide relevant information about the agency's cash receipts and cash payments during a period. Balance sheet is classified into two parts, such as assets, which are on left-hand side, while liabilities and owner equity are on right-hand side. Whereas, cash flow statement is classified in three parts, such as operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Balance sheet is important because it discloses financial position of the company, whereas cash flow statement is important because it can help in budgeting and forecasting. The information disclosed in balance sheet are assets, liabilities, and owner's equity, whereas the information disclosed in cash flow statement are movement of cash and cash equivalent. Balance sheet is prepared taking profit and loss account into consideration, whereas cash flow statement is prepared taking profit and loss account and balance sheet into consideration. Balance sheet is an accounting report, demonstrates what an organization claims, resources, and owes, liabilities, at a particular period of time. Whereas cash flow statement, also known as statement of cash flows, is a financial statement that shows how changes in balance sheet accounts and income affect cash and cash equivalents, and breaks the analysis down to operating, investing, and financing activities. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.